Sagittarius, this is your channel messages for the 11th of the 11th. I'm your host, Vanessa Carby. Sagittarius, this is your channel song. Demi. This revolution will be televised, okay? I did the biggest shampoo, my locks. Several morning him shampoo, my locks. Always have my back, stand true to that. Real type of nigga, thank him for that. Yeah, run barefoot without no shoes and socks. Cause him keep himself clean, not gonna catch no rash. And him love me for me not for have no cash. And anytime you know we slip, we stop. Yo, all this thing is like you forgot. Use cheddar rice and you recruit a rat. So we listen Martin Luther and some Uber chat. And some beauty cause she don't have a scratch, it's only beauty spot. 1 night to 1 5 1 after 10 o'clock. You hear me? But we tell beautiful. Here we go, my love. You know I will never let you go, my love. Beautiful, here we go. Here we go. Damian Marley is now back in the chat. Hello, Mr. Marley. Jesus Christ. I give everything for me, so I give my life for you. You think fucking Damian? You think Damian Marley going to war? You think I would be sending my son Damian, telling him that he needs to go fight fucking Babylon war? You fucking crazy. All of us gonna die in this motherfucker. Anyways, Sagittarius, let's go ahead and go into your reading. We're doing your... Oh, before I start, most hearing let me Google it, because you don't know. I was hearing gentrification. Somebody's being gentrified. I'm getting somebody I got through gentrification. I just heard it in my ears. Now I'm going to go to the great big book of everything, with everything inside. See the world around us. This book's a perfect guide. Google! Okay, so it says that gentrification is a common and controversial topic in the urban politics and planning. It often increases the economic value of the neighborhood, but can controversially due to... Me getting that somebody got through that, or me getting there's a new kid on the block and it is actually increasing the value of the neighborhood. So this is how influence make your money. This is how people use your influence to make them money. Cause me getting, because you are a new resident, you're a new student, or you're the new kid on the block, me getting, yeah, the community assets are being evaluated because you live there now. Maybe everywhere, maybe that's something you notice, Sagittarius. Everywhere you go, the place make money. And me getting, you're just there as a passer through, you're just there as a shopper, you're just there minding your own business, but you notice anywhere you go, the money, where the money reside, Me getting, you notice what's happening. Anyways, let's just go ahead and go into your reading. We're going to see what abilities did you acquire with the zodiac sign you are, okay? So we're going to go ahead and look on what is your incarnation in this lifetime, your spiritual gifts, your strengths, how can you use it to the best of your ability, the worst of your ability, and let us see what the outcome is. What does it profit a man to gain the world and lose his soul? And what is the point of having powers to save people when the hoes don't want to be saved? I'm sorry, let's go ahead and go into your reading. So let's see what your past incarnation was, Sagittarius. The 10 of Pentacles. I'm getting you are a king. You came from royalty. Yeah. Here we go. The bougie locks. 7 morning she shampoos my locks. Okay, I'm getting you came from a very wealthy, high-ranking family who... Me getting a family that used to separate themselves from the commoners. Yeah, me getting you were an emperor, or you were the sons or the daughters of emperors. And I'm getting you are black. So I'm sorry. Maybe that's why you have a little flavor in you, okay? So yeah, me getting you come from royalty. What is your spiritual gift that you acquired in this lifetime? The star card, me getting fame. Yeah, again, something I got through gentrification. Me getting because you're somewhere, the value is going up. Whether this is a clothing store, this is a channel, me getting anywhere you go, the money resides. So me getting you come from royalty, Sagittarius. Whether you are an influencer, or I'm getting everybody to listen to you. Or I'm getting that's what's happening in this lifetime, everybody listen to you. You incarnate with a lot of royalty and status, and I'm getting a spiritual gift is to influence people. For the better or for the worse. Okay, let's see what your weakness is. Because even though you have influence, we have weaknesses. The Queen, okay, so even though you're very influential, me getting you have confidence issues. You keep a judge your weight, you judge how you look, you judge your skin color. You don't know if you get too light or too dark or have a tan. So me getting your weaknesses, even though you have influence when it comes down to beauty and women. You gotta pick part yourself, which will also make other women pick part themselves, because I'm getting people looking at you as the elite, but me getting you don't feel confident about yourself when you compare yourself to other people. So that's your weakness. Your weakness is judging yourself too much. All right. What's your strength though? Your strength is the Page of Swords. Me getting. So you might be computer savvy. Or me getting you don't need a marketing team, you don't need a HR, you don't need a PR, me getting you do this yourself. Maybe because you were, usually when you come from royalty, they teach you how to behave like royalness. So me getting, you came from a very prestigious family, so you were already self-taught. So even though you may have self-confidence issues, me getting you do everything yourself behind the scenes. So that is your strength. Yes, you're an influencer, but if somebody take away your camera and your tripod and your lights, you still can shoot for yourself. Now, how are you using your influence to help people? The Page of, yeah, so me getting, because you online savvy, you run your own accounts, me getting how you use it for help is that you can give people real advice. You're not talking to a robot. Every time I see something online, you see a comment, you don't like it, you can reply to it. Me getting you speak to your fans, you're using your gifts to relate to your fans, to tell them, no, don't do this. If the guy say you're ugly, or him say you gain too much weight, leave the guy. Me getting you using your influence. Me getting how you're helping people is that you're telling people it's okay. You don't have to have it all, or me getting you telling people that you don't always have to look glamorous on TV, even though you do. How are you using your gifts to destroy people? We have the Page of Cups. So when it comes down to helping people, me getting you can teach people how to be an influencer. When it comes down to destroying people, me don't feel like you're doing something per se to destroy somebody. Me feel like your confidence make other people feel bad about themselves. You being confident, you being the person you are, it make other people feel unsure of themselves. I'm getting you make white women feel unsure of themselves. I don't know. Getting you come from a black family. Me getting how you're destroying, I don't know if this is a race thing or who you appeal to. Because me getting there is a certain demographic of women who feel destroyed and feel ugly and feel like they can never be you. But there's another set of women who you can talk to, who are listening to you, who are taking your advice. So I'm getting there's a certain demographic of women who feel like you're destroying them. Or maybe you're just making them feel insecure because you're pretty as fuck. Not your problem. Not your problem. Okay, and let's see what the outcome is. Your outcome is the Four of Pentacles. So I'm getting you're born from royalty, you're going to die in royalty. Your outcome is everybody wants to serve you, whether that is man or woman. I kind of see a demographic more being women. Well, I'm getting you come from a very prestigious royal family, very wealthy family. I'm getting your influence, that's what you do. You influence other women to start their own channel. I'm getting a lot of women like to patronize you. I'm getting women love you, but at the same time, there's another set of women who feel insecure about you. So all the fuck well. I'm sure a lot of people feel insecure about merely Magdalene washing Jesus Christ's foot. The fuck. The World card. We have Magic. We have maybe friends, maybe more. And we got the Chariot, Cancer. I'm gonna leave it here, Sagittarius. Until next time, bye.